How to change language? Are you guys facing issues to change language and manage AI? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. To change your language, first of all open browser on your laptop or mobile devices. Once you open the browser, simply head over to the MANUS AI website. As soon as you enter the website, log in into your account with your registered email and password. If you don't know how to log in into your account, then make sure to check out our guide on how to do it. Once you open the website, now just simply look at the top left corner of your screen where you can see this option for Manage AI. Tap on it. After click on it, look at the bottom of your screen where you can see this option for setting over here. Tap on it. After click on it, settings, you will be forwarded to this interface. You are looking to change the language, right? Just look at the first option, language. Tap on this menu icon. After click on menu icon, you will be provided with multiple languages over here. Just simply select the one according to your preference. If you want to change it to Spanish, just simply tap on Spanish and the website will be refreshed in order to change the language. So as you guys can see, our language has been instantly changed. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.